Hi everyone, I'll introduce Hilltop Hotel in Tokyo. I want you to watch this video until the end because I'll introduce it from the entrance to a room. Hilltop Hotel is a luxurious hotel located in Tokyo, Japan. The hotel is situated in the heart of the city and offers stunning views of the surrounding landscape. It is an ideal choice for tourists who want to stay in a central location with easy access to the city's attractions. The hotel is designed with a modern aesthetic that combines Japanese and Western styles, creating a unique and sophisticated atmosphere. The rooms are spacious and elegantly furnished, with amenities such as high-speed internet, flat-screen TVs, and minibars. Some rooms also offer balconies with breathtaking views of the city skyline. One of the standout features of Hilltop Hotel is its exceptional dining options. The hotel has several restaurants serving a variety of cuisines, including Japanese, French, and Italian. The restaurants offer a range of dining experiences, from casual to fine dining, ensuring that guests can find something to suit their preferences. The hotel also offers a range of facilities and services to ensure a comfortable stay for its guests. These include a fitness center, a spa, and a rooftop garden. The rooftop garden is particularly noteworthy, as it offers stunning views of the city and is a great place to relax and unwind after a busy day of sightseeing. Overall, Hilltop Hotel is an excellent choice for tourists visiting Tokyo. Its central location, luxurious amenities, and exceptional dining options make it an ideal base for exploring the city and enjoying all that it has to offer. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and like it.